Okay, so did anybody have any questions about EBSCOhost? So remember, we have the advanced search, we have basic search. You, you're going to look and see what you're interested in. What are some things that spark your interest as you look about United States and World War II? And then you're going to talk with your partner to think about some possible topics, okay? I'm here if you have any questions. I'm here to help you. You let me know. But remember, we're going to get articles from Destiny and also from EBSCOhost. Okay, use your cheat sheet. Use each other. I'm going to give you guys time to do that now. I'm going to walk around and kind of see which direction you're going to go. But you're going to work with your partner and you're going to discuss possible topics and identify any questions that you have for me, okay? All right, guys, happy searching.